my viewers, Lydia Mnene speaking. I'm excited. Yes, if it's your first time here, you are welcome. If you're a return visitor, you are most welcome. Yes, today I'll come share with you about Uganda's population. And before I share, yes, I'm an entrepreneur based in Kampala, Uganda. My channel is about travel and affiliate marketing. Under travel, I talk about Uganda tourism, East Africa, Africa tourism, and holidays world over. So apart from travel, I also talk about affiliate marketing, which is a promotion of other people's products and services to earn commission. Yes. So please consider subscribing to my channel, leave a comment, share, give this video a thumbs up. If you have not clicked on the bell, please click on the bell to get notifications, because every week I upload videos and I don't want you to miss any of my videos. Yes. Yeah, back to our topic I'm sharing today. I'm sharing about Uganda's population. Maybe a brief overview about Uganda. Uganda is a landlocked country found in East Africa, and it is surrounded by Kenya in the east, South Sudan in the north, Democratic Republic of Congo in the west, Rwanda and Burundi southwest, as well as in the south, Tanzania. And the capital city of Uganda is Kampala. Yes, the governing body that is responsible for the statistics of the country is called Uganda Bureau of Statistics, and it is responsible for conducting the national census. And the last time the Uganda's national census was conducted was 2014. And I'm definitely, if I'm to share whatever I know about Uganda's population, I can talk and talk and talk, which I wouldn't want right now. And I'm going to put links below this video where you can go and get all these details. And I'm going to share some statistics from worldometers.info. I'm putting this link below this video. You can go there and get all the details about Uganda's population. So the statistics I'm giving you, these are this is current data. Yes, Uganda's population is 45,741,700, and the yearly change or the yearly increase of the population is 3.32%. So which means the population of Uganda is a growing population. Fertility rate is 5 live births per woman as of 2020. And I'm glad to say that this trend has been reducing. Yes, it has been reducing. I remember our great and grandparents, they used to have many children. To point it out, my grandmother had 11 children. My paternal grandmother had 11 children. Then my maternal grandmother had 8 children. And right now, this has reduced. People are giving birth to 4, 5 children. So the trend has reduced. Yes, and the next that I'm going to share about is the life expectancy in Uganda. Yes, both sexes, it is 64.4 years. This is life expectancy at birth, both sexes combined. And for females, it is 66.7 years. Then males, 62 years. And I'm glad to say that the life expectancy has improved. At one time it was in 50s, and right now it has increased, so which means the conditions have improved. And I remember one time I participated in collecting data about the population of Uganda during a census. So I remember when we went to families to collect data in the different families, we found more widows than widowers. What does this mean? It means more men die as compared to women. And this is attached to a number of factors. For example, men participate more in wars as compared to women. And also, according to the Ugandan standards, men are more aggressive. They look for bread, they travel more as compared to the women, yet mostly women stay home, maybe go to the gardens or do other housework at home, look after the children. So this could be one of the reasons why there are more women than men. And the infant mortality rate and deaths of children under 5 years old in Uganda, this is what I'm going to talk about. This is 39.2 infant death per 1,000 live births. That's quite high. And then deaths under 5 years is 53.3 per live births. Yes, and the urban population in Uganda is currently 25.2% of the population of Uganda, which accounts about 11,135,655 people. That is in 2019. Yes, so that means actually there has been an increase in people in the urban areas as compared to the rural areas. This could be due to rural-urban migration. Rural-urban migration. More people are moving from the rural areas to the urban areas. This could be looking for greener pastures, social services like education. Yes, many parents in the villages are coming up to bring their children in the urban areas to get a better education. And then the 2019 population deaths in Uganda is 222 people per kilometer squared, calculated on a total land area of 199,810 kilometers squared. So the capital city of Uganda, I mentioned, it's Kampala, and its population is about 1,353,189 people. So it is the most densely populated because it is the capital. So most people are rushing to the capital to look for greener pastures, to look for opportunities. Yes, yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you regarding Uganda's population. I'm putting these links below this video. You will get all the details about Uganda's population through these links. And every week I upload a video either about travel or affiliate marketing. Under travel, I talk about Uganda tourism, East Africa, holidays world over. Then I also talk about affiliate marketing, and I've recorded a number of videos talking about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to put a link of my playlist for affiliate marketing below this video. And in those videos I put links of this program. There's a program I joined called Partner with Anthony. Yeah, in this program you are trained, you are given the skills of how to excel in affiliate marketing, and I'm putting the link below I put a link below those videos. Please go ahead and click on the links and learn more, and see Anthony himself explaining about affiliate marketing, how he has succeeded in affiliate marketing. I'm one of his students, I'm one of the trainees, I am one of the people learning affiliate marketing, and really I'm proud to mention that I have gained a lot in affiliate marketing. Don't forget to click on those links and watch Anthony explaining. So please subscribe to my channel, so that you don't miss out. Click on the bell so that you don't miss out my videos. I know that because when I'm recording these videos, I put you, my viewers, in mind. So that's why I encourage you to click on the bell so that you don't miss out every week when I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me up to this far. I'm really so grateful. I hope you've subscribed. I hope you've left a comment. You've given this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Until next week. Thank you. Stay safe.